Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fabric repair kit is probably one of the most worthwhile investments you can make to keep your car's interior looking its best. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about repairing your fabric car seats, from identifying the damage and selecting the right kit to performing the repair and maintaining the results. We will cover various types of repair kits, their features, and how to use them effectively to restore your car's seats to their former glory, saving you money and extending the life of your vehicle's interior. Number 5. Coconix Leather Repair Kit. It has helped over 1 million people restore their favorite items. Join the satisfied customers and bring your treasured possessions back to life. Everything you need for a simple and stress-free repair is included. No need to search for additional supplies, it's all here. With a wide array of colors and an easy mixing guide, you can create the perfect match for your item. Achieve a seamless and invisible repair. It provides flexible and durable repairs that will last. Your fix will be as long-lasting as the item itself. From cracks and scratches to burns and holes, it can handle it all. Restore your leather and vinyl items to their former glory. It works on various materials and items, including leather couches, car seats, and jackets. It's your versatile solution for all your repair needs. Our team of experts provides free advice for any tricky repairs. We're here to support you every step of the way. What we like. It offers a wide variety of colors and a foolproof mixing guide, ensuring a perfect match every time. Its easy application makes the repair process simple and stress-free. If you need a long-lasting, flexible fix for various leather and vinyl items, this is the kit for you. What people say. The kit contained enough repair compound to fix the damage. The color matching was a bit tricky but will allow you to match almost any color with patience and practice mixing colors. So, following the directions, I mixed the black and cream colors to arrive at the shade of black of my dash. I applied the mix using the provided spatula and then, to give it the more pebbled look of the leather, I lightly pressed the repaired area with the backing material provided in the kit. To my surprise, the process was quick and easy, taking maybe 15 minutes. And the dash looks great. The application was incredibly easy, and the instructions were clear and straightforward. The colors are customizable, so I was able to perfectly match the repair to my leather. After following the steps, the couch looks as good as new. The kit also worked on some vinyl areas of my car seats, and the results were equally impressive. It's amazing to see how well this product restores both leather and vinyl. Number 4. Coconix Leather Repair Kit. Is your leather furniture showing its age? Scratches, tears, and holes don't have to be permanent. This kit makes repairs easy and affordable. Unlike other repair kits, this one provides clear instructions. Simply apply it and watch it work its magic. It can match various shades of black and gray, making it perfect for furniture, car seats, and more. Repair anything from small scratches to larger tears. Get professional-looking results without the professional price tag. It's the perfect solution for restoring your leather goods. Don't replace your favorite leather items. Bring them back to life with this simple and effective repair kit. Save money and time. What we like. This kit stands out for its incredibly simple application process, just apply and wait. It's perfect for matching various shades of black and gray on a wide range of leather and vinyl items. If you are looking for a hassle-free solution for repairing black and gray leather or vinyl, this kit is your best bet. What people say. Worked great. Had a cracked area in my driver's seat side cushion from normal wear and tear of getting in and out of my vehicle. This stuff was easy to mix and apply. I just lightly sanded and removed any loose, flaking material and spread this on. I did do several thin coats letting it dry in between each coat. It provides a flexible cover so it shouldn't crack again with continued wear and tear on the area. This product restored my recliner, which was worn out from many years of use, back to life. I was surprised on how easy it was to use the product. I really am impressed with the quality of the product. Application was super easy and the abundance of instructions, both written and video, gave me enough confidence to get the job done in under a half hour. I wanted it to look perfect so I followed the instruction for adding texture and removing the glossy appearance. Number 3. Cindy's Tape Leather Repair Kit. It's made of high-grade leather, meeting EU environmental standards. It's safe, durable and perfect for restoring your belongings. No heat, ironing, tools, or sewing is needed. Just peel and stick it for a quick and easy fix. It easily covers rips, holes, burns, scratches, and stains on leather, vinyl, and more. It's also great for craft projects. Use it on furniture, car seats, handbags, and more. Bring your favorite items back to life. Just clean the surface, cut the tape to size, and apply. It's that easy. Each kit includes one 60-inch roll. We offer 24/7 customer support to help with any questions. What we like. It's incredibly user-friendly, no tools or complicated steps are required. The self-adhesive feature makes application quick and easy. If you value convenience and a waterproof, durable repair, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The self-adhesive backing made it super easy to apply, and the black color blended seamlessly with the leather. It sticks well and covered up the worn-out spots perfectly, giving the chair a refreshed look. The tape is flexible and durable, so it doesn't peel or crack. The fabric is pliable and easy to work with. The patches have stayed in place and is not affected by the rain and sun. Number 2. Tear Aid Fabric Repair Patch. Say goodbye to frustrating tears and holes. This innovative patch offers a quick and easy solution for all your fabric repair needs. It's made from an incredibly tough, abrasion-resistant material that stands up to even the most demanding conditions. Experience long-lasting protection. From canvas and rubber to nylon and even Gore-Tex, it seamlessly bonds to a wide variety of surfaces. It's the ultimate all-in-one solution. Its see-through design blends seamlessly with any color, and its UV resistance prevents yellowing over time. Enjoy a flawless, long-lasting repair. No sewing, no glue, no mess. It adheres instantly and conforms to irregular surfaces, making repairs quick and easy. It's perfect for high-heat situations. With its versatility, durability, and ease of use, it's the perfect addition to your repair kit. Get yours today. What we like. Its see-through design works on any color, and the instant adhesion means no waiting time. It's also UV resistant to prevent yellowing. If you need a quick, mess-free solution that's suitable for various fabrics and colors, this is perfect for you. What people say. It is very strong adhesive, so be careful when removing the paper, so that the tape doesn't stick to itself. The adhesive strips are very strong and flexible. Once I was able to patch the inside and outside, the use of a heat gun, not flame, hair dryer will work too, did even more wonder to the adhesive. Get the patch hot enough to conform to the material and use your fingers to push it further into the material. It's immediately evident that this is a durable material with excellent adhesion that will be a long-term repair in this specific application. Number 1. Furniture Clinic Leather Repair Paint. It comes in 16 colors, so you can restore faded leather, recolor worn spots, or even change the color entirely. It's incredibly versatile. This paint penetrates the leather fibers for complete coverage without altering the texture. Plus, it helps protect against future discoloration. Apply it with a brush, sponge, or spray. It dries in minutes, but for best results, let it cure for 24 hours. It's a unique blend of color and finish, acting as both a color restorer and sealant. No need for a separate topcoat. It easily repairs all sorts of leather damage, from scuffs and scratches to color loss. Use it on sofas, car seats, handbags, and more. What we like. It's available in 16 colors, allowing for complete color restoration or even a color change. The flexible finish prevents future damage. If you're looking for a versatile, 2-in-1 solution that seals and colors, this is your best option. What people say. After cleaning the chairs and trimming the tags around some of the holes, I used Coconix vinyl and leather repair, purchased on Amazon, to repair the hole in the arm and fill most of the claw holes. The paint dries fairly quickly. I did need to apply a few extra layers to the arm and sides where the repairs were heavy. The chair is still very soft and the color looks great. Application is super easy. Cleans up with soap and water. I applied 3 thin, all-over coats to 2 captain's chairs and additional coats to several repair areas, and I still have 1/2 of the 17-ounce bottle left. I do not think this product alone would have repaired the hole in the arm, but it is great for scratches, small holes and discoloration. Very pleased with quality of paint. Dries very fast. Able to apply 3 coats in 1 day. This was only needed due to color change. It came out beautiful. The dog scratches are not visible at all. It's waterproof after 24 hours. No bad smell. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.